Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or change medical info on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page we scroll down, then tap on safety and emergency. At the top here, tap on medical info. Then you can enter your name. Next, type in your medical condition. So for example, allergy to dust. Blood type, so select your blood type, then tap on OK. Allergy, dust mite, and then current medication, weight, then tap on your height, so select a height, then tap on done. Date of birth, so enter your date of birth, and then tap on done. Now put in your address, so you can tap on that icon there to detect your current location. Actually, you need to manually enter in the location. And organ donor. Next, medical notes, so type in medical notes and then tap on saved, and that's it. So now we have successfully added in a new medical record. If you already have a medical record, you can simply tap on the edit button to edit your medical record. In here you can choose to show or hide your medical info on the lock screen. And if I go to my lock screen, I can open up the lock screen here and then press on the side button and the volume down button, and from here you can tap on medical info, and then people will be able to view your medical info in case of an emergency. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.